Oh, Christmas Day, eh? Well, we've got snow, alright. I have to go down in the shop, not so much for work, but I've got to check my boiler. I just wanted to show you how good that temporary garage is. You can see the snow has come off the top because wind gets underneath it, blows it off. Look at all this lot down here. Hardly any on the car. No iced up windows. Great, super smashing. Yeah, pretty good, eh? There's a science behind it. Like I say, it just flaps around. But anyway, this is our road. Snowplow's just been down. Jim was here yesterday, got to plough it out again. Yeah, Christmas Day, eh? Dear me. You could hear a cockroach fart today, it's so quiet. Anyway, I hope you're all having a good Christmas. Like I say, I'm just going to go down and put some wood pellets on the boiler. But I just thought I'd show you what Christmas Day looks like here. Just before I go, I should mention I got a nice Christmas card from Gary and Vivian Barker. They're out in Ontario. And also another Greyfriars Bobby card from Bobby. Woof woof. Sorry about that, I've got to really get Deborah's ass kicked together. She's in charge of putting the postcards on the wall, but they've been a bit neglected since COVID. But yeah, that's it. Nice, isn't it? There's nothing. Nothing's moving. Peace on earth for now.